So now I'm just going to talk about your program and talk you through it. So when creating your program, I use the FIT principles. So the FIT principles pretty much mean frequency. So how many times you can do each session. So I would have got that when we done your when we would have done your paperwork earlier. So then there's intensity, refers to how hard you work in the program. Time, so duration of the program. So you would have gave me a time when we went through it before. So I think you gave me 30 to 40 minutes per time. So I would have used that when making your program. Type of program. So the type of program just meaning making the program specific to your goals. So for your program, I made you a hypertrophy program, meaning building muscle size, which is what you wanted.
Yeah.
So when you're looking at your program, you'll just see a few things up here. So sets, that just means how many times of that certain exercise you do. So how many times you do until it's completed. And then reps comes with that one as well. So that means how many times you do that exercise per set. So on there it's 9 to 15 times, and then you'll do that 3 times.
Yeah,
so you'll do that 9 to 15 times, have a break, and then you'll do one more set. So you'll do that until 3 is completed.
Yeah.
And then I've given you 1 minute rest period between each time, and then that 1 minute rest period will come when you're changing exercises. So when you're going from barbell squat to lunges, you'll have a 1 minute break between those two.
Yep.
Alrighty. So so the tempo part on here. So that pretty much means the speed you move up and down. So for example, with your barbell squat, you will count for 2 seconds when going down. You'll pause for 1 second, and then you'll count for 3 seconds coming back up. So there is a mixture of compound movements, meaning exercises that use more than one muscle, and then there's isolation in there. So isolation meaning that you're just using that one specific muscle that's for the exercise.
Yep. Radio.
Alrighty. So now we're going to start your program. So the first exercise on your program is the barbell squat. So you're going to go down the bar nice and safely. You don't want to arch your back or anything. You're going to place the bar on your back, so you're going to place it on the soft part of your shoulders and your traps. So you're going to have your feet hip width apart with your toes slightly turned out. When going down, you want all the weight to go down into your heels. So you're going to go down at a 90-degree angle, so down like this, and pushing back up with your heels as well.
Right.
So you're going to do that for 10 to 12 repetitions. Alright, let's get into it. So this exercise works your quads, your hamstrings, and your glutes. So you'll do this exercise 3 times with those 10 to 12 reps, and then weight will just get changed on how you feel. Alright, so we're going to do the second exercise that's on your program. It's the barbell lunge. Alright, so you're going to grab the bar. It's pretty much the exact same starting position. So you're going to have the bar on your soft part of your back, so on your traps. What you're going to do is you're going to take one big step forward. You want to make sure that when you're going down, you don't want your knee to go over your toes, because that does put extra pressure on your toes. So you just want to find that balance there, so you're not wobbling around. So you're going to go down, just like this, coming back up. So you're just pushing up with your back leg. You're going to feel the weight in your front leg though. So you're going to do 10 to 12 repetitions on one side, and then you'll change to the other side and do 10 to 12 on that side as well. Yeah, good job. also works your hamstrings, quads, and glutes. Exercise on your program, which is a seated row. So you're just using this machine here. You're going to take out this one here. Sit on here. So you don't want to lock your knees out here. You want to make sure you have a slight bend in your knees. So you're going to adjust the weight right here, just a few. You're going to grab this. So this will be your first starting position. It's coming up just like this. So you'll feel a stretch in your lats right now. So you're going to bring this bar here just to your torso and back. So that's one repetition. So you'll do that for 10. Alrighty. Yep, back straight. So this works your lats and your biceps. Right, good job. Lat pull down. So this is the 4th exercise on your program. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab the bar and you're going to make sure your hands are in the exact same position on each side. You're going to lock your knees underneath this. You're going to bring the bar down just to touch your torso. So, yeah, and you're going to just pause when you get down there. So pausing here and then slowly coming back up. So keeping nice and controlled. So exhaling when you're going up, inhaling and coming down. So this works your back muscles, your biceps and your rear delts. So you're going to do that 10 to 12 times. 3 sets. Yeah. So squeezing when you're coming down. Make sure you're breathing. So this works your chest, your anterior deltoids and your triceps. So when starting with this machine, you want to make sure that you adjust the seat so that these 2 bars here are in line with your chest. So you just sit up here, measure it up, just make sure it's enough. So, alright, so make the exact same thing, it's just a pin to choose the weight. This thing here, pushing down with your feet to bring the bar in front of you. So this just so you don't have to extend your arms back to push forward. So you're going to grab this. What you're going to do is have them start. So this is your starting position, pushing in front of you. Making sure that you're squeezing throughout when you're contracting the muscle. So you're just going to do that 10 to 12 times. Feeling it, make sure you're feeling it in your chest. Alright. Your turn. Make sure you breathe throughout the exercise. Nice control. Good job. This exercise is an incline bench press. So you're going to grab your dumbbells, sitting off the chair, having the dumbbells on your thighs. You're going to lay back, bringing the dumbbells up with you, having a 90-degree bend on your arms. So what you're going to do is you're going to exhale as you push up and then coming back down. So you want to feel that squeeze in your chest when coming up. And then just coming down nice and controlled, having that pause up top, and then also having it. So So you're going to do that 10 to 12 times for 3 sets. So come back up, roll up, have the dumbbells on your things, come down, place the dumbbells on the ground, and then reset. So this works your chest, your anterior deltoids, and your triceps as well. Make sure you're breathing. Is a barbell military press. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab the bar, you're going to have your hands just wider than shoulder width. You're going to start with the bar so your arms are 90 degrees. So this works the 3 parts of your shoulders, mainly your anterior deltoids. So with your feet you can have them right next to each other or one in front of the other, just to keep you balanced. So you're going to push up and then come back down for that 90 degrees in your elbows. So you're going to do this 10 to 12 times for 3 sets. Make sure you're breathing throughout the exercise. Is a barbell bicep curl. So what you're going to do, grab the bar. So you're starting position, feet next to each other. You're going to have your elbows tucked into your body. Coming up, contracting that bicep. So you want to make sure you're squeezing at the top and then slowly going back down. So this works your bicep. So you want to make sure that you breathe throughout the exercise. So you're going to do this 10 to 12 times. So you don't want to go all the way down to lock your elbows out. So just keeping that tension on throughout the whole time. All right, let's do it. Tricep push down on the cable machine. So we're going to do bring down so that your elbows are tucked in. You want to have 90 degrees in your arm. You want to push that down so you can feel a squeeze in your triceps, and then coming back up. So you don't want to lose that tension. You want to keep the tension on the whole time. So you want to do this 10 to 12 times for 3 sets. Alright. Make sure you breathe throughout the exercise. Good job. This is a decline bench sit-up. So I can't do the exercise, but I'll get you to sit on it and I'll talk you through it. So you're going to place your feet in here just to lock your feet in. Yep. Up underneath there. You're going to start with your hands in this position. So what you're going to do, you've got to go down slowly. Yeah. And then when you come back, you're going to really squeeze those abdominal muscles. So when you're coming up, squeezing those abdominal muscles. Alright, so you're going to do that 10 to 12 times for 3 sets. So make sure you breathe throughout the exercise.